Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you trying to track your credit card rewards? Let's compare two popular apps, MaxRewards and AwardWallet. Both apps help you manage rewards, but they serve different purposes. MaxRewards focuses on credit cards only. It connects you with major banks like Chase, Amex, and Capital One. AwardWallet tracks everything: credit cards, airline miles, hotel points, and over 670 loyalty programs. Max Rewards shines with smart features, it auto-activates bonus categories and merchant offers. The app tells you which card to use at any store to earn maximum rewards. It tracks your sign-up bonuses and you never miss spending requirements. The Gold plan costs $60 per year and handles all the work for you. Award Wallet excels at tracking multiple programs. It monitors point expiration dates and sends alerts before miles expire. You can track airline bookings and get flight delay notifications. It supports almost 700 programs, including stores like Sephora and restaurants. The Plus version costs $50 yearly. Here's the big difference. Max Rewards is credit card focused. You cannot track airline or hotel programs, but it gives real-time recommendations on which card to pull out at checkout. Perfect for people with several credit cards who want to maximize every purchase. Award Wallet is broader. It tracks everything from airline miles to retail rewards. Great for frequent travelers managing points across different programs. However, some major airlines like Delta and Southwest require manual updates through email forwarding. When it comes to pricing, Max Rewards Gold is $60 per year and Award Wallet Plus is $50 per year. Both do offer free basic versions with limited features. Choose Max Rewards if you focus on credit card rewards and want automatic optimization, and choose Award Wallet if you travel frequently and need to track multiple loyalty programs in one place. Many users actually use both apps together for complete coverage. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.